Welcome to Dr. Saurav's classes, everyone. Today we are solving a very interesting engineering services examination, mechanical engineering paper 1 2026 question. And the engineering services examination conducted by UPSC test not only your numerical ability, but also your understanding of the engineering concepts. And one special feature of ESE questions is that they often combine the theory with the calculations. So if you know the theory, the numerical becomes much easier. So today's question is from the turbulent flow, one of the most important topics of the fluid mechanics, and the examiner is testing two concepts simultaneously: largest and smallest turbulent scales and estimation of Kolmogorov length scale and frequency. Now, before solving, let us understand the physics. Whenever the turbulence occurs, there are eddies of different sizes, and there are two extreme scales. First is the largest eddy. Largest eddies obtain energy directly from the main flow, and their characteristic size is approximately equal to the characteristic dimension of the body, and therefore the largest length scale, this is near about D, and the largest time scale TL, this is L by U, where L is the internal length scale and U is the characteristic velocity. Okay. Now think of turbulence as a family. The largest eddy is the father, which possesses the maximum energy, and it breaks into smaller eddies. Those smaller eddies again break into even smaller ones. So finally the smallest eddies become so tiny that viscosity converts all kinetic energy into the heat. And this final stage is called the Kolmogorov scale. So this is basically the main thing for this question. Now, he proposed that the smallest scales depend only upon two things. First is the viscosity, and second is the energy dissipation rate. Okay, and the important formulas are the smallest length scale, eta. This is and the smallest time scale. And the frequency. Now the question is, where do we get ellipson? For the engineering problems, ellipson is near about U cube by L. Okay. So this approximation is very important. Now given velocity is 2 km per hour. So convert into meter per second. So U is basically 0.556 meter per second. And the characteristic length L, this is equal to T, this is 0.1 meter. Okay. Now, so substitute the values. Now since 0.556 cube is near about 0.172, therefore ellipson will be near about 1.72 meter square per second cube. Okay. Now many students directly substitute the values without calculating ellipson first. Never do that. Always calculate the energy dissipation rate separately. Okay. Now, given and the formula, so substitute the values now. So after calculation, we are getting right? So the smallest turbulent eddy size is 15 to 16 micrometers. Okay. And notice something amazing. The cylinder diameter is 0.1 meter, while the smallest eddy is only 15 micrometers. So that means the turbulence contains structures differing by almost 4 orders of magnitude. And this enormous range of scales is why the turbulence is considered one of the most difficult problems in engineering. Now, the smallest time scale. Substitute the values. So after solving, we are getting now the frequency. Substitute the values. Okay. So these are the final answers for this question. Clear now?